In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower your Board 42 completion cost estimates and make your upgrades more efficient. The first thing you'll want to do is open Chrome so you can check your Board 42 completion cost estimates. This gives you a clearer picture of how much in-game cash you may need before you start spending anything. Taking a moment to review those estimates helps you plan ahead instead of upgrading blindly, which can save you from running out of cash halfway through a board. It's a simple preparation step, but it makes the rest of the process much more controlled and intentional. Once you've checked the estimates, the next move is to save your cash until Cash Boost web events go live. This part is really important because spending too early can reduce the value you get from the resources you've already collected. By waiting for a Cash Boost event, you're putting yourself in a better position to stretch your cash further and make each upgrade count more. Patience here is the strategy. Even if it feels tempting to spend right away, holding your cash for the right event window is usually the smarter play. While you're waiting, keep your focus on building up enough cash to handle multiple upgrades when the timing is right. That way, once the event becomes active, you won't just be making small progress. You'll be able to move through a larger portion of the board more efficiently. Planning ahead like this helps reduce waste and improves your overall upgrade rhythm. When the active discount events begin, that's when you should upgrade your landmarks. This is the moment where timing and preparation come together. Discount events lower the amount you need to spend, so upgrading during that period can significantly reduce your total board completion cost. Instead of paying full price, you take advantage of the event and get more progress for the same amount of cash. The key idea throughout this process is to avoid rushing. Check your Board 42 cost estimates first, hold on to your cash until Cash Boost web events are active, and then use discount events to upgrade landmarks at the best possible value. Following this flow helps you spend more efficiently and makes board progression feel smoother and less expensive over time. That's the full strategy. Use the estimates to plan, save with purpose, and upgrade only when the event timing works in your favor.